Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sales entries in Tally Prime. To begin, open Tally Prime and navigate to the gateway of Tally. From there, you will access the Accounting Vouchers section, which is your starting point for all transaction entries. This initial step is crucial for ensuring you are in the correct module to record your sales accurately and efficiently, setting the foundation for your financial records. Once you are in the Accounting Vouchers menu, the next step is to select the sales voucher type. You can easily do this by pressing the F8 key on your keyboard. After selecting the sales voucher, you will need to choose the appropriate party ledger, which represents your customer. This ensures the sale is correctly attributed to the right account. Now, it's time to enter the details of the items being sold. First, select the sales ledger that applies to this transaction. Then, choose each stock item from your inventory list. For each item, carefully enter the quantity sold and its corresponding rate. This ensures that the total value of the sale is calculated precisely, reflecting all the goods or services provided. Finally, you have the option to add a narration for your sales transaction, providing any additional relevant details. Once all information is entered and reviewed, simply accept the voucher to save your sales entry. It is always a good practice to quickly review all the entered details one last time before finalizing to ensure accuracy and completeness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.